guys, welcome back to GB Cars. Sorry I have to do a voiceover in this section, but I had some distortion in the background. Now today we're going to be looking at armored shield, and it's a ceramic coating. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, and share the content. Now, for those who don't know what armored shield is, it's a ceramic coating that provides an extra layer of protection on your vehicle. It allows for water to spray off in terms of when you're washing the car or when it rains, and basically overall gives a longer protection on your vehicle, and it's clear coat over time. Now, ceramic coating is not permanent, and sometimes depending on the condition of the weather and other patterns, it may last a couple months up to a year. It depends on how much you drive your car or what condition your car is in, whether weather conditions in your area and other factors may prevent your clear coat from diminishing over time, and also will prevent the armored shield or the ceramic coating to be to last less long on your vehicle, applied to a vehicle. Now, the first step in applying armor shield to your vehicle is to ensure that the vehicle is clean. So right here I'm trying to take off some dust. The car is not all that dirty because it's just coming out of the shop. It was recently sprayed, as you can see. So I am just taking off a little of the dust. And there are many ways of washing your cars. We have seen the 2-bucket method. I'm just using the 1-bucket method here, and just soaping and rinsing. No detailed washing is done here. I recommend doing this ceramic coating in a very cool temperature, not too hot or not in direct sunlight. This is after I finished washing the car and ensuring that it is dry and no water is underneath any of the surfaces of the car. So ensure that you dry your car before applying the armor shield. The product comes in a box of this size. We just want to look to see what comes in the package. So we see where we have a little information leaflet, and this is a bottle. I know it's very small, but this armor shield can apply on your vehicle or about 2 or 3 vehicles, entire vehicle, using that small bottle. So it comes with microfiber cloth, and this must only be used once, because as we explained earlier, the ceramic coating is similar to a clear coat. So after a while it comes with a block, and this block is an applicator block that is also used with applicator pads that is placed over the block. And we have gloves here. See, it comes with a nice sticker that you can apply to your car windscreen. Just take one of the applicators and we're just going to put it over the block. Now, only small drops are used whenever you're doing the ceramic coating, so you don't need to put a lot of solution on the block. That's about 3 or 4, and you're going to do it start with a section of the vehicle first. So I'm just doing it one panel at a time. You're going to do it horizontally, and then you're going to do it vertically over the same location to ensure that it is evenly distributed across the panel. As soon as it starts changing color to like a rainbow color, you use the microfiber cloth and remove the solution from your vehicle. You don't want it to stay too long, because remember, as I said earlier, it's a type of clear coat, so it dries onto your vehicle. So you want to ensure that you wipe it off after it starts changing color to that rainbow texture. Now you're going to do this application on all sections of your car. It can be used on the rubber sections as well, and it also can be used on the rims. So you can use it on all sections of your car, including the windshield and the glass. Now always remember to check that the color changes to a type of rainbow color, and then you use the cloth to then wipe it off. You don't want it to dry. Now I am applying it to the bonnet of the car, and we do the same application. We do it vertically first. Just put in some more drops of the armored shield onto it. Just a few drops is needed. And you do it both vertically and horizontally. I start do it vertically first across a section of the bonnet, and in that same section I do it horizontally to ensure full coverage of the armor shield. So the car has been fully ceramic coat. All the metal body parts and also the glass, including the roof, have been ceramic coat. So I want to look and see the effects, the shine of the ceramic coat. We even went ahead and ceramic coat the headlamps, as you can see. Nice clean finish to the Mercedes. So we're going to look to see how long this ceramic holds up in terms of weather and sun. As I said, it forms an extra clear coat and helps in terms of water beating, water stains, stuff like that on your vehicle. So guys, if you like the video, please remember just to hit that subscribe button, and just remember to hit share and like, very especially. So when you hit the like, it direct more persons to this video, okay, and to my channel. See you guys in the next video.